This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a reputable temporary number provider and creating an account now. This gets you a usable channel fast. Choose a number type: local if you need regional presence, toll-free for business, disposable for short-term. Once done, verify your account with email and enable 2FA to protect access. Make sure to compare fees and retention policies so you don't lose messages after the first week. These first steps set the foundation for secure, functional temporary calling and texting. Now you configure routing and preferences so the number works reliably. You can forward calls and SMS to your regular line or use the provider's app to isolate messages. Choose based on privacy needs. Set voicemail and auto-delete rules to limit data exposure and enable notification preferences so you won't miss important codes. Once configured, use the number for sign-ups, classifieds, or two-factor authentication. This segregates personal contact info and reduces. Finish by confirming expiry and renewal options so you don't lose access unexpectedly. Make a quick test. Send an SMS and place a call to verify delivery and voicemail. If messages fail, check logs and resend or switch providers if patterns persist. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache, resync settings, and test with a known working number. Often that resolves routing and notification glitches. Finally, document when you'll release or renew to maintain control and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.